Hi everyone, this is Nancy Thasser's Treasure, and yes, this is my voice today. We have caught the common cold again, but this time we got elderberry syrup. So, I am putting videos on hold until all this goes away and my voice comes back. This is better than it was when I woke up, because when I woke up I was just whispering because I could not talk. So, probably by the end of the week, I should be okay to start doing videos again. I'm just not going to do this and start losing my voice in the middle of it. It would not be good. So, and then, yes, I do have a 300 subscriber giveaway coming up. So, be looking for that video to come out also. This is just unbelievable. This is the second time we've got this mess. And no, it's not what's going around. It's just a common cold. We've already been checked out. So we're good to go. But yeah, just stay home and resting. And gonna make some homemade chicken soup. So, just want to give y'all an update what was going on. Well, I haven't made any videos all last week. You know, this is at the end of it. It builds up. And I know I'm at the end of it because I'm losing my voice. So, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. And y'all take care. Just be careful and be prepared and be safe. Have a wonderful day.